Everyone, how are you doing?
Hi all, welcome to goclasses. A very big and a very exciting announcement. We are really very excited. So before we start, please let us know audio, video, volume, echo, everything is fine. Then we will start this session. A huge announcement we will make,
Yes.
and our Go classes complete course enrolled student Nikhil is getting 96.33 marks in GATE DA 2025 exam. That is a huge achievement. So please let us know if everything is fine. Then we will continue this session.
Okay,
Yes,
I think
Sachin, everything is
yes.
fine.
Yes, I think everything is fine. Okay, great. So, yes, you heard it right. So, Nikhil, congratulations once again. Like we have already talked. Actually, Deepak, before you joined, we have already talked. So, I was talking to Nikhil only. So, Nikhil, once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, Nikhil, actually, I want to tell you that getting 96.33 marks in GATE DA 2025, that is I can say tremendous achievement. It is not something that can be taken casually. And every year people get all India rank 1 in every branch. All India rank 1 will be there, but getting 96.33 marks in GATE DA 2025 exam, it was a kind of very mathematical exam, and many students, and almost all the people were basically saying that it was harder comparing to the GATE DA 2024 exam. It was hard comparing to that, and you are getting 96.33 marks. That is a very, I can say, exciting and very big achievement. So first of all, congratulations from my side as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And we are really proud. To all the students, I want to tell that Nikhil was Go Classes complete course enrolled student in GATE DA 2025 course, and we are really very proud. We are really very excited. Honestly speaking, I cannot express my excitement here. when when Nikhil told us that he's getting 96.33 marks, we were, I can say, I was literally jumping. It's not a like it's not a something I can say it's a I was literally jumping it, so you can just see the excitement.
Yes. So yes, that is true. And also, let me tell you one thing about Nikhil. Actually, everyone will be surprised that he's not BTech. He's MBBS student. He has completed his MBBS, and after MBBS, he has chosen to go for GATE. So it is like a different kind of combination. That is, someone is doctor also, engineer also. So he's going to be engineer, and he is already a doctor. So which is again like by itself is great thing. And also just one last thing that I would like to add, because that is the only thing that I got to know in this meantime from Nikhil. So actually he is also from AIMS Delhi, not just MBBS. He is MBBS from AIMS Delhi. So which is again a different level.
MBBS from AIMS Delhi, and GATE DA 2025 expected All India rank 1, almost sure that he will be the all India rank 1. But the most important point is he's getting 96.33 marks this year in DA paper. And Nikhil, there was a comment. I really loved that comment. So in the chat, someone is saying, "Bro is serious outlier in ML terms." because because really I think that even the second ranker, the second ranker marks and the first ranker marks, Nikhil's marks and the second ranker marks, I think there will be a huge difference, I think. So this is what I'm thinking, but I might be wrong. But you can see 96.33 marks is not something I can say which can be taken casually, as I told you. So this is a comment from a student. Bro is serious outlier in ML terms. So, Nikhil, please let us know, how do you feel right now? Everyone wants to know. Please let us know honestly, like what when you got to know that okay, you are getting 96.33 marks, you also know that almost most probably you will be the All India rank 1. How do you feel right now?
So just one something. Sorry to interrupt. Like I will say that say out of your heart. Don't think anything. Okay, just true feelings to everyone. That how you are feeling. How did you feel when you first got to know about the marks?
Sir, I felt very happy. Like after the exam itself, I was feeling I did good. Like when I checked the initial key also, I was feeling like most of the questions I did correct. So I was like, I'll get good marks, but maybe not 96. I was expecting every paper I'll lose
10 questions I'll make wrong. Mock test also I was making those mistakes. But then 96 is like, I'm very happy.
Right, right. Actually, Deepak, Nikhil,
Yes.
I told you also, Nikhil also used to get top rank in AIMTs. I think in AIMT 7 he was AIR 1. Like, I mean,
Yes.
among Go classes, I mean, whoever is attempted that test, I think more than 800 people has attempted. So in AIMT 7, AIR 1, and I think Nikhil in AIMT 6, you were AIR 2 or 3 or something. You remember?
Yes, sir. I think in the top, I think second.
Second, yes, yes. He was AIR 2. So consistently, he was performing already very good in AIMTs.
So Nikhil, actually, there was a in the chat someone was saying that you are not in the private group. This type of comment was there. So let me to all the students. Okay, let me ask Nikhil directly. Nikhil, were you in the Go Classes DA Telegram private Telegram group?
Yes, I joined like 2 months ago. I think I didn't join initially, but when I
Okay.
found it, I joined it.
Okay, Nikhil.
Okay.
So Nikhil, how did the Go Classes course help you? Please let us know.
So Go classes, like I started the preparation almost very late. September, October, I started it. So I took the course because I wanted to revise the material and learn new stuff also. Like some of the syllabus I didn't know, I had never covered it. So I almost all the topics I used the slides from Go classes. Then I was like doing all the previous year questions and the practice problems in the lectures. So I was learning those, and if I had doubts, I was going back to the lectures and watching them. So I think it helped me a lot, like because I think I was able to cover the syllabus within like 3 months using the course. Like also like there was a bar at the side, like it used to show your
Ah.
progress. That was like very giving me dopamine. Like finish getting it to 100% was like a big goal. Like I was like this week it should become 100% DBMS or machine learning. So that
Right,
was like it helped me prepare like, and then I again went and revised did the test series.
right,
Then wherever I made mistakes, going back to the lecture. So yeah.
right, right. Amazing. So, any lecture you remember? Like, I think we were talking about SVM. So, you he actually watched SVM
Yes.
lectures. He was saying that, I mean, multiple times probably, right?
Yeah, like SPM, I think even now I'll have to go back and revise before the interview again. Like because it's still confusing, but yeah, I kept revising it even before the exam. I think one of the last topics I revised was that I used like I went through the slides again and the practice test also I went through the questions again quickly.
I think for Sachin, I think for SVM you created I think two dedicated test 30 question. I think if I remember,
Yeah, actually,
there
that was for
there was yes.
that was for SVD, but for SVM also one test, one separate test we
Yes,
have.
yeah, there was a test.
So
Yes.
actually, Deepak, for all the topics we had the separate test. I think Nikhil for most of the topics, right?
Yeah, like decision trees had its top like
Right.
test and
So
most
by
of
the
them
way,
had it.
yes,
Logic.
actually, I was just curious, and I also asked you little while also ago also, like when you attempted weekly test, right? Weekly quiz, we have weekly quiz concept. So at that time, you were finding questions more, more challenging, or versus the test series questions. Which one have you, found it more interesting?
I think the weekly tests were more challenging because I was doing them for the first time also. Like
Uh,
once the topics got stronger, my concepts were clear. The open test, okay, like I was able to do faster also.
uh, got it.
And
So
compared to gate tests, they were much harder.
Gate was itself this time it was actually very hard. So you might be taking it.
honestly, Nikhil, actually this time, like you are getting 96.33 marks, but the GATE DA 2025 paper was not easy. Definitely, it was. I can say 96.33 marks is outlier. I also when I heard like when you told that you are getting these many marks, I first of all I was like, yeah, well, is it real? Is it? It was not something that anyone can trust. Immediately. Okay, that you just tell someone and they okay, I trust you. No, it will not happen. So yeah, so very exciting. And Nikhil, did you tell your parents about it that most probably you will become the All India rank 1. I'm using this most probably word just for formality, honestly speaking, so that tomorrow I don't want to sound too. Anyways, the point is, it is, I can say, just for formality there.
True.
But yeah, you will be the All India rank 1. So did you tell your parents what was their reaction?
Yeah, I told them just after checking the key and the response, they were very happy and they're also like excited. Like, I have to decide now whether I'll move to Bangalore or Chennai. So that is the discussion right now.
Nikhil, you are from Hyderabad.
Yes.
And now what is your goal? ISC Bangalore, IIT Madras. I think you are confused between these two, or IIT Mumbai is also there.
I think Bangalore and Chennai, because I don't think I'm eligible for the MTech in Bombay. I think you need a BTech for that. So I'm not. I don't think I'm eligible.
It's a loss of IIT Bombay.
Truly.
If IIT Bombay authority is listening, is watching to this video, if this clip gets viral, just in case, to the IIT Bombay authority, I just want to request that this type of excellent, there is a movie, Sachin, the brilliant mind, the beautiful mind.
Beautiful Mind.
There is a
मैंने
movie,
भी देखी।
a beautiful mind. There is a movie. So I just want to say to IIT Bombay authority, please consider these type of beautiful minds are basically what yeah, just make them eligible. Just
Right.
change the rules in the next 2 months. Just change the rules for Nikhil.
That is true. बाय द वे, हाँ दीपक, एक्चुअली मतलब एक नोटिस करना, निखिल जब बात करते हैं तो ही इज़ लाइक अर्जुन सर, जो अर्जुन सर जितने पेशेंस से जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं वो नोटिस करना।
Yes, sir. So Nikhil, do you know about Arjun Suresh sir, Gate Overflow founder?
I heard in your lectures, but no, not really.
Okay. Definitely, like we will have a meeting with him also. Like he also would be very excited to talk to you. So yeah, he is also from Chennai, I think.
हाँ
So Nikhil, how did the Go Classes test series help you? Please let us know your performance in the test series, in the topic-wise test, in the mock test, in the All India mock test, and which of them, like initially, what was your performance, and how did it go? From the first test till the last test.
So topic tests, I think I was giving to the last week before the exam. I was scoring around 50 to 80%. Some topics I was getting only 50% marks. Some topics I was getting nice 90% marks. So topic tests, I was like still I had to learn a lot and revise a lot. But the mock test, I think I started at around rank 10, first mock test. I think I consistently stayed in the top 10 through the 7 open mock tests. Like the last mock test, I got Air1, then I was like, okay. I think it was 2-3 days before the exam, so I was like, okay, I'll revise something, then stop and relax before the exam. So that was like a high note to end the preparation on.
And also, Nikhil, which did you find more challenging, more harder? The GATE DA 2025 exam, the main exam, or the Go Classes All India mock test and test series, topic-wise test, subject-wise test?
I think topic-wise test are harder.
Topic-wise test were harder.
एक्चुअली मैंने आंसर गैस कर लिया था। रीजन इज बिकॉज निखिल इज टेकिंग दिस एग्जाम वेरी कैजुअली, ही इज थिंकिंग हाँ 96 मार्क्स ही गॉट एंड एग्जाम माइट बी इजी, but Nikhil, actually from multiple students we have got this feedback that exam was actually tougher, so so actually if I have to vote,
no
okay.
No, I'm not saying it was easy, but like yeah,
doable.
I think most of the concepts were covered, and like I revised it like that so that maybe it helped in the exam. Like the topics I learned and the questions intersected a lot, so that helped in the 96. Maybe I would have got 80, 90 if it was a different paper, but this paper intersected a lot with the topics I was strong on. So that helped a lot. Yeah, that was lucky.
No, it wasn't definitely lucky. Like, definitely. You are just being humble. It wasn't lucky. Lucky means you get maybe 85 marks and the second ranker gets 84 marks. Then yeah, there is some kind of luck factor. But yeah, so you are really the outlier in this GATE DA 2025 exam. Nikhil, any magical moment can you like recall from the Go Classes course, from any subject, machine learning, AI, DBMS, algo, linear algebra, any magical moment that okay, this was the wow moment when you were going through the lecture or annotated notes or the practice questions. Some wow moment can you remember?
Like I think the normal forms also I understood it better in DBMS when I went through Go classes. Like previously when I did it in my bachelor's program, it was like tough. I didn't understand it that much. And also like there was that, what do you say? Functional dependencies, closure sets, that was very difficult, but I did it on Go classes that I understood better. SVM and stuff also, it helped a lot. AI was completely new. I never learned AI. All the topics in AI I use Go classes. So there, those questions on GIF sampling and all of that, that was like direct from the syllabus, from the lectures itself.
We will share this with Anjali ma'am also, so she will also be very proud. Yes. So Nikhil, what is your target now? Now that most probably you are getting all India rank 1, so now what is your aim for the next few months, or maybe with this rank, what do you want to do in IIT Madras? Also, you want to join IIT Madras or ISC Bangalore, but like what is your dream for the next few years?
Next few years, I want to maybe get into machine learning, core machine learning from medicine. Then I want to learn the skill so that I can apply it in health tech. Maybe I want to work in that area, maybe on ECG data or imaging data. I want to develop those kind of systems. I think I want to do it. Maybe if I find research very nice, I want to do a PhD also in that area.
Wow.
That is like very long term plan, but first I want to get into one of these institutes.
Right. So Nikhil, PhD in which area? Like applying machine learning on medicines, medical data.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Yes, actually, nowadays, like there is very what I feel very need of those kind of engineers who really understand, who have domain knowledge. Like particularly in medical field, like they find it very difficult because engineers can't convince doctors, like in terms of their technology, that why they are saying that okay, this person has disease or not. So that is difficult to convey, but you could be a bridge, like whenever there's a team communication, you could be the bridge who are conveying. So yes, it's going to be very bright future.
Nikhil, there is a doubt in the chat. A student is asking, sir, can you please ask him why did he choose to go for GATE after completing MBBS from AIMS College, AIMS Delhi, and what was your thought process behind it? Can you please explain it?
So I think I started getting interested in machine learning and programming around COVID, that time when I was at home. I was reading more about it and I was like interested. So I joined the online bachelor's in data science from IIT Madras. So as I was going through the course, I found it interesting and I felt like I want to pursue it, not medicine. I want to pursue an intersection of medicine and technology. So I thought I wanted to pursue in this area, but you need a good foundation and good degree to do that. So I thought it would be better, like GATE will give me that opportunity to go into IISc or IIT. So that's why I chose GATE.
Nikhil,
Okay, Nikhil.
so when just a random question, when you were in your 12th, so you were having equal interest in mathematics and biology, or there was more bias towards bio?
I didn't have maths in +2. But I was more interested
Sorry,
in
in 10th.
physics than biology. Sounds like,
Okay. Got
yeah,
it.
like I didn't have maths at all.
Right. Yeah,
in
but in
plus
10th you might be equally
Yeah,
interested.
10th math and physics, science were like favorite. Biology was also favorite, but yeah.
So actually, there are many questions, Nikhil. But as we promised you that it will be kind of a short interview, and then we will have a detailed interview after few days. We will have a detailed interview. So Nikhil, again, congratulations for this amazing achievement, and I wish that you get All India Rank 1 this year, and all your dreams they get fulfilled, in the upcoming years. So from my side, best wishes for the future. And really, truly, I'm very excited. I can't express my words, and we are really very proud. Go Classes is very proud of you. So to all the students, I just want to reiterate my feeling that we are very proud, and super excited that Nikhil was Go Classes complete course enrolled student, and this achievement so mind blowing. So congratulations, Nikhil, and thank you for joining us in this session.
Thank
Yes.
you, sir.
So just one one thing if I would like to add. So actually, Nikhil, we like along with you, like we also entire year along with the students, we also put our efforts. So it really feels really great. Like as Deepak is saying, it when I first got to know that okay, you are getting 96 marks, 96.33, I literally got goosebumps. So it really actually feels great. So yes, so we are also very happy along with you. Thank you, Nikhil.
Thank you, sir.